Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by adding screen recording to Control Center if it's not there. This gives instant access. Once added, open the app or screen you want to capture so you don't record app launch stutters. Next, swipe down or up on older iPads to reveal Control Center, press and hold the screen record icon, and choose whether to enable microphone audio, use it to narrate, or keep it off for clean system sound. When you're ready, tap Start Recording and count briefly to avoid clipped intro. Once recording, keep an eye on the red status indicator so you know it's active. You can tap that bar or return to Control Center to stop. Make sure your microphone choice matches your goal. Live narration explains steps, while system audio preserves original app sounds. Also check available storage and battery percentage before long clips to prevent interruptions. For tutorial videos, turn on touches in accessibility so viewers see taps. This small visual cue makes instructions easier to follow. Stop when finished and let the file save to Photos. After saving, open Photos to trim unwanted start or end frames. Drag the trim handles and export the clip to keep only the useful portion. Once trimmed, share via AirDrop, mail, messages, or save to files. Choose highest quality if you'll edit further on a computer. If audio is missing or low, make sure microphone access is allowed for screen recording in settings and test with a short clip. If recordings stop unexpectedly, free up storage and restart the iPad before retrying to prevent corrupted files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.